Hi ladies! Okay, so this is going to be my update for postpartum, how I'm feeling, things like that. If you guys haven't been over to my Instagram, go and follow me at Corin Hounslow. Yeah, basically I had a baby, and the last video you saw was me after my waters went, I believe. God, that feels like so long ago. And I'm going to do like a proper like birth story and things like that because it was actually really traumatic. So basically, we went in and I had meconium in my waters, and then she had strep B and all that. So yeah, that was really scary because she nearly died. So but we're going to be doing a video today on postpartum of how I'm feeling, and then I'm going to be doing a separate video to meet her and everything like that. Daddy's just having cuddles upstairs, so I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity. Just walk the kids to school in her new buggy. So yeah, it's going to be like a one take, no edited type thing. I hope you don't mind. But I just miss you guys and I miss talking to you guys. Yeah, so I feel really good in myself. We were in hospital for a week and I was literally so desperate to come home. And I cried a lot. Matt said that he should, that I should go and get some fresh air whilst he looks after the baby, and I literally took one step outside and just burst into tears. I was like, oh my God, fresh air. Because obviously baby's been in NICU and has been really, really poorly, and I've been looking after her, obviously, pumping every 2 hours because she wasn't breastfeeding because she had a tube down her throat, so she had to have a feeding tube here. So I was pumping every 2 hours to get my colostrum, and then I would have to take it down to NICU, and yeah, she would, have that. It was really, really intense. I didn't expect that we would even be in NICU because literally my 2 last deliveries were fine. But yeah, she was really poorly, like I said. I'll go into more detail a lot about that. I'm just trying to, this video is going to be all over the place, but I'm just kind of trying to update you guys. So at the moment, oh, there goes my light. At the moment, she is fine. And we just got home yesterday evening and the boys met her again, which was lovely. And I've got like pictures on my Instagram, you'll have to go and have a look. In myself, I feel fine. I only had one little graze, which healed within about 3 days, which was amazing. I do highly recommend getting Vaseline if you are pregnant, because you just put it over the area and it stops your urine like stinging the cut and what have you. But yeah, I can't wait to do my birth video because I actually had them go through my notes with me when I got, when I was back on the ward. And I said, it happened so quickly, like I don't kind of know, I can't process it. So she did like a debrief and she went through with me, which was so helpful. And just the NHS in general, they're just absolutely amazing. And the staff in NICU and the staff on the wards, just absolutely fabulous and looking after me and baby. Our NICU is actually top 3 in the country, in Europe, I believe, as well. And you can totally tell because the staff are just amazing and the consultants and everything are very knowledgeable. And yeah, she had this medicine, I can't remember what it's called, I think it's called like Curacurf, in her lungs. She had 2 lots. And that was at £2,500 a go, so that was a lot of money for medicines and things. So yeah, she was really, really poorly, guys. So this is just like a little update just to say that we're home, we're happy. She's breastfeeding every 2 to 3 hours. I feel amazing in myself. I'm not sore anymore. Like down below, I don't even feel like I've given birth, like I feel normal. My stomach's literally gone back so quickly. I had the worst after pains ever. I was on paracetamol and ibuprofen every like 4 to 6 hours. And then I also, I think, had like a top up of codeine at one point because I was in so much pain. But yeah, apparently they get worse, the like subsequent babies you have. But that's just my, that's just what happened to me. So if that happened to you, leave me a message down below. But yeah, so I feel really good in myself. A little bit tearful, obviously, at hospital the past few days. But when she said I could go home yesterday, I literally burst into tears. And then there's another midwife that came in and was like, I'm just going to do some checks. Are you okay? And I was like, it's happy tears, it's happy tears. And she was like, I'll come back. I was like, okay. But yeah, so just let you guys know that baby is doing amazing. She's not on antibiotics anymore. She has completely done like a 360, like from being on death's door to now. It's just been absolutely a miracle, and I'm so grateful to all the team and, you know, the spirits looking over us, I guess, because I just can't get over it. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me for free for more baby updates, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies.